If you're a gearhead, you know that the heart of any car is its engine. Today, we're diving into some of the most talked about powerhouses, the Dodge HEMI, Pentastar, and Cummins engines. But wait, how do they compare to legends like the Ford Flathead V8, Duratec, Cyclone, Boss 302, and Pinto? Let's break it down. Engine models and brand overview. First up, let's introduce our contenders. The Dodge HEMI, a name that screams muscle and power, known for its hemispherical combustion chambers. The Pentastar V6, a modern, efficient engine that powers many Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep models. The Cummins Turbo Diesel, the king of torque in the pickup truck world. Now, to compare, we have the Ford Flathead V8, $460, a classic that revolutionized the V8 scene. The Ford Duratec V6, $428, a lightweight yet punchy engine for modern vehicles. The Mercury Cyclone, $500, known for its role in NASCAR history. The Boss 302 Mustang, $3,720, a true racing-inspired masterpiece. The Ford Pinto, $1,850, infamous yet economical. Engine performance. Performance-wise, here's how they stack up. The 6.4L HEMI V8 cranks out 485 horsepower and 475 lb-ft of torque, giving muscle cars their iconic roar. The 3.6L Pentastar V6 offers 305 horsepower and 269 lb-ft of torque, delivering a balance of power and efficiency. The 6.7L Cummins Turbo Diesel dominates with 420 horsepower and a staggering 1,075 lb-ft of torque, perfect for heavy-duty towing. Against the classics, the Flathead V8 made 85 horsepower, which was impressive in the 1930s. The Duratec V6 reaches 240 horsepower, a solid number for mid-range sedans. The Cyclone delivers 375 horsepower, showcasing old-school racing power. The Boss 302 punches out 444 horsepower, making it a muscle car legend. The Pinto, well, it managed 86 horsepower, barely enough to move, let alone race. Section 3. Fuel efficiency. B-roll. Gas pump meter rolling fuel efficiency graphs. Narrator. Fuel economy plays a huge role in today's market. Let's see where these engines stand. The HEMI V8, about 15 miles per gallon combined. Power comes at cost. The Pentastar V6 shines with 22 to 25 miles per gallon in most applications. The Cummins diesel surprises with 20 miles per gallon in highway cruising, thanks to diesel efficiency. Classic rivals. The Flathead V8, a mere 10 to 14 miles per gallon. Not great by today's standards. The Duratec averages 20 to 26 miles per gallon, making it practical. The Cyclone, with carburetors, don't expect more than 10 miles per gallon under heavy acceleration. The Boss 302 guzzles at 12 to 15 miles per gallon. Pure performance, not economy. The Pinto, however, redeems itself with 25 to 30 miles per gallon, making it the budget king. Section 4. Reliability and maintenance. B-roll. Mechanics working on engines' durability tests. Narrator. Reliability is a game changer. The HEMI V8 is strong, but suffers from issues like lifters and cam failures. The Pentastar is reliable overall, but early models had cylinder head problems. The Cummins diesel, built to last, often reaching 500,000 miles with proper care. Among the classics, the Flathead V8 was simple and robust. The Duratec is durable but requires timing chain maintenance. The Cyclone and Boss 302 are performance engines, high maintenance but legendary. The Pinto engine, despite the car's reputation, was actually cheap and easy to fix. Engine features. Now let's talk features. The HEMI has an MDS system to save fuel by shutting off cylinders at cruising speeds. The Pentastar includes variable valve timing VVT for better efficiency. The Cummins boasts a turbocharger, giving it insane towing capabilities. Comparatively, the Cyclone was a powerhouse but lacked modern tech. The Boss 302 had a high revving camshaft, ideal for track performance. The Duratec introduced DOHC technology, enhancing efficiency. The Pinto, Well, it was just an engine, no frills, no thrills. Pricing and value for money. When it comes to pricing, the Flathead V8 started at $460 back in the day. Cheap by modern standards. The Duratec V6 sits around $428, affordable and practical. The Cyclone was priced at $500, offering performance for a bargain. The Boss 302 Mustang came in at $3,720, expensive but worth it. The Ford Pinto engine was about $1,850, built for economy. For modern engines, the HEMI 6.4 L-Crate engine costs around $9,000 to $11,000. The Pentastar 3.6L is more affordable at $3,500 to $5,000. The Cummins 6.7L, a hefty $10,000 to $15,000, but built for long-haul durability. Final verdict and recommendation. So, which engine is right for you? If you want sheer power and muscle car heritage, go for the HEMI. If you need a reliable daily driver with good efficiency, the Pentastar is a great pick. And if you're into towing and durability, nothing beats the Cummins Diesel. For classics, the Boss 302 is a beast, while the Flathead V8 is a piece of history. Want something budget-friendly? The Pinto engine surprisingly wins in economy. That's a wrap. Which engine is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews.